Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my brand new apartment that I just moved into. Today is literally moving day. The movers are gonna be here any minute, so I wanted to take advantage of the apartment being empty. Let's get into it. So this is the entrance. This is what you see. So I do have a closet here in the front entryway. And then this is my kitchen. It's definitely smaller than the kitchen I have right now, which is fine because I don't really cook much. And I'm gonna use this as a place where I'm gonna take pictures of items and also eat. So I'm gonna use that for both. So I do have a guest bathroom, which is really nice. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's actually really spacious, which I like. I hate small bathrooms. So I love that I'm also getting a medicine cabinet because I've never had one of those. This is the makeup room. Well, I'm gonna be using it as a makeup room. Pretty decent size. Definitely bigger than the makeup room that I had in Jackson Heights, and I currently didn't have one in the Bronx. It also has its own closet, which is also pretty spacious. So I'm gonna put like my tripods and my lights and anything extra in here. So it has a total of 4 closets. The apartment in the Bronx had 5 closets, which was crazy, but this one has pretty good closets. This is the main bedroom, same size as the other one. I'm gonna have my TV over here, my dresser, bed, Peloton, and then the master bedroom has 2 closets, one on each side. So this is kind of like a coat closet. It has this little nook. I'm gonna master organizing this because I have so much stuff. And then this is the other closet, the main closet. I'm gonna be purging and decluttering even more. I already did, but we're gonna do some more because I don't wanna have a lot of stuff. Moving is such a pain when you have so much stuff, but I did have a lot of help with the movers. Can't wait to decorate and play, and tons of outlets, which I love, for all the phone charging. And that's it. I'm so excited for this next chapter and to take you guys along with me. I feel like things all just aligned perfectly and I'm really happy. Quick short video, but I wanted to take advantage that it's empty so you guys can see how I transformed the space. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.